AC-130 gunship on station.
Crew, we are 2 miles from target area. We're gonna secure the drop zone for the Blackhawks, then support the forces on the ground.
Understood, Major.
We're moving into the target area. Returning to support Bravo 8.
Major, a lot of Rebs near the ruins.
Roger that. We see Red Hammer activity in the area. Switching to drone now.
Copy.
We're 30 seconds from drop zone. I have the target in sight.
Drone at 600 meters.
Roger.
Target identified as hostile. They are unloading some kind of stretcher out of one of the trucks.
Copy. On target. We have an armored vehicle.
Stand by. Nomad, how many people are with him?
There's a lot of Red Hammer activity going on.
Copy.
We're starting our approach. Be ready. Expect AAA. We have a man on the ground. Coming through 600 feet, going to 590.
We can see Red Hammer activity in 2 armored trucks.
Roger.
We have Rebs gathering ahead.
Stay on this, guys. Don't let your guard down.
Stay on the Rebs, people.
I don't have much fuel. I can only hold for 5, maybe 10 minutes.
Copy.
Setting drone to lower altitude now.
Roger. 3, 2, 1, mark.
Close-up mode enabled. Did you see that? Looks like there are radioactive barrels at the location.
Copy.
The drone has been spotted. We're opening fire. Drone is taking multiple hits. Abort mission. Abort.
Shit!
This is Kenny Johnson, reporting live for CNN. I just received the exact coordinates from the Blue Eagle AC-130 gunship, and me and my camera crew have taken position near the Red Hammer activity. Now this is a covert operation, and we must proceed with great caution. When Red Hammer finds out we're here, this will be probably my last report.
This one's gonna make me famous, man. This is Kenny Johnson reporting live for CNN. You did an excellent job, Mr. Johnson. Thank you, General. It's an honor. I'm gonna get a lot of money for this. As you probably could see for yourself, Dr. Albert Zweistein is held captive by the Red Hammer forces and is strapped down to a stretcher. During my last interview with the doctor, it was already obvious that Albert Zweistein was forced by Red Hammer to cooperate with the nuclear development. Now this proves that he's held captive and that the Red Hammer forces are working with nuclear weapons, as you can clearly see the radioactive barrels in the movie. We will send this tape to the United Nations Security Council and let the world know what's going on here. Are we heading for a new global war? Who knows? This was Kenny Johnson reporting live for CNN.
Sign up now for Episode 9, Rise to Power. The Cold War Crisis storyline continues with Red Hammer vs. Blue Eagle. Visit our website at airsoftgames.com for those who play the game.